following an extensive update from Gary yesterday, we're now speaking to you, James, on our monthly market commentary. So let us know, how's things been?
Well, as I'm sure you know, markets took a big hit last week as investors began to fear the impact that COVID-19 or the coronavirus could have on the global economy. Many markets had their worst week since the global financial crisis in 2008 last week, including the FTSE 100, which lost nearly 11%, as the number of cases now has risen above 90,000 worldwide. There have been over 3,000 fatalities. And the VIX index, which measures implied volatility in the US equity market, at one point last week it reached its highest level since 2008. So investors clearly have been spooked.
So we know that there's been impact globally on the economy. Tell us about that in some detail.
Well, unsurprisingly, after what happened last week, most equity markets posted significant losses for the month, including US equities, which fell 8.2%, European stocks, which lost 8.4%, and UK equities, measured by the FTSE 100 index, which lost around 9%. Gilts were one of the few things which offered positive returns for the month, gaining around 1% on average. Even gold, which traditionally performs well when equity markets are stressed, posted a marginal loss for the month. In the currency markets, the pound struggled as it lost 2.3% against the euro and 2.9% against the dollar.
We've seen somewhat a rise this week already. What does that mean moving forward?
So we had that big sell-off last week, and as Gary mentioned in his video, the multi-asset funds proved quite defensive during that sell-off, thanks to the call options, which reduced the equity exposure in the funds as the market fell off. As for what happens next, well, so far this week, equities have recovered some of their losses with the news that central banks are going to try and stimulate the economy, which will inevitably get hit by the virus. But there's still plenty of uncertainty around, as we still don't know exactly how far this virus is going to spread. And as Gary mentioned yesterday, markets do not like uncertainty. So we do remain fairly cautious for the time being.
Thanks, James. We'll see where we are a month from now.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.